Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be talking briefly about investing in stocks, what it means, why it matters, and how it can help build long term wealth. So, what is stock? A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you become a partial owner of that business. If the company performs well, its stock value can rise. And you may also receive dividends, or regular payments to shareholders. So, why invest in stocks? The main reason is growth. Historically, the stock market has offered higher returns over the long run compared to saving accounts or bonds. While the market can be volatile in the short term, over time it tends to grow alongside the economy. That makes stock a powerful tool for building wealth, especially if you start early and invest consistently. Now, here's the important part. How do you invest wisely? Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock. Spread it across different companies and sectors to reduce risk. Second, think long term. Stock prices can swing daily, but patience pays off. Long term investors often benefit from compounding growth. Next, do your research. Understand what the company does, its financial health, and its future prospects before you invest. And lastly, consider index funds or ETFs. These are basket of stocks that track the overall market. They offer instant diversification and are great for beginners. Let's be honest, investing in stocks isn't risk free. Prices can drop due to market crashes, company failures, or global events. That's why it's important to only invest money you won't need in the short term and to build an emergency fund separately. You don't have to be rich or a financial expert to start investing. With apps and online brokers, anyone can begin with small amounts. The key is to start early, stay informed, and remain consistent. To sum it all up, stocks offer a chance to grow your money over time, beat inflation, and build financial freedom. By investing smartly and staying patient, you can make the market work for you. Thank you.